Walmart Spark Driver drivers are independent contractors, which means they generally need to track their own business expenses instead of having taxes automatically handled like a traditional employee. By the end, you'll know which Spark Driver expenses may qualify as business deductions, what records to keep, and how to organize your information before filing taxes. The first category to understand is vehicle expenses. Driving is a major part of Spark Driver work, so vehicle-related costs are often the expenses drivers pay the most attention to. This can include tracking business mileage or keeping records of vehicle costs connected to delivery work. The key step is separating personal driving from business driving. Trips used for Spark Driver deliveries should be tracked separately from personal errands. A mileage log, calendar record, or expense tracking app can help you organize this information. The second category is operating expenses. Costs connected to completing deliveries may include items used for your delivery work, such as supplies, equipment, or other purchases that are directly related to your independent contractor activity. The third category is record keeping. A deduction is much easier to support when you have clear documentation. Keep receipts, payment records, mileage information, and notes explaining why an expense was related to your Spark Driver work. Avoid mixing personal and business expenses in the same records. A separate tracking system makes it easier to review your delivery income and expenses when tax time arrives. Another important step is understanding that tax rules can change. The expenses that qualify depend on current tax regulations and your specific situation. If you are unsure about a deduction, check with a qualified tax professional who can review your records. Your goal is not just collecting receipts. Your goal is creating a clear record that shows how your Spark Driver activity operates as a business. The main points are simple. Track your delivery mileage, save records for business expenses, and keep personal spending separate from delivery costs. Good records make it easier to understand your real profit and prepare your taxes. Your next step is to create a simple system today for recording Spark Driver income, mileage, and expenses. If this guide helped you understand Spark Driver tax deductions, like the video and subscribe for more delivery driver guides.